In last lecture, we studied the basic concept of probability distribution. Now let's start with first distribution, that is binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution. This distribution was discovered by a Swiss mathematician, James Bernoulli. It is used in such situations where an experiment results in two possibilities: success, that is P, and failure, that is Q. Formula of binomial distribution is P x equals to R is equal to NCR P R Q n minus R. P is small p and Q is small q, where n is equal to number of trials, small p is equal to probability of success, small q is equal to probability of failure, that is 1 minus p, and r is what we have to find out. Let's take an example. A fair coin is tossed thrice. Find the probability of getting exactly two hits. Here, n is equal to 3 because coin is tossed 3 times. Small p is probability of success, that is probability of getting hit, that is 1 by 2. Q is 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the probability of getting exactly two hits. So we will apply the formula here, that is P is equal to x is equal to R is equal to NCR PR Qn minus R. We have to find out the probability of two hits. So formula will be 3C2 1 by 2 raised the power 2 1 by 2 raised the power 1. We can calculate and answer will be 3 by 8. Now next is properties or characteristics of binomial distribution. First property is discrete probability distribution. The binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution in which the number of successes, whether 0, 1, 2, 3, and up to n, are given in whole numbers, not in fractions. Second one is line graph. Here in the graph, we can see the symmetry in left and right side. And this is possible only if P and Q are equal, or in other words, P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. Next property is shape of binomial distribution. Three shapes of binomial distributions are there. First one, that is symmetrical, where P and Q both are equal. Second one, we can see this is right skewed, means this is not symmetrical. Here P is less than Q. In third graph, it is skewed to the left. Here P is greater than 1 by 2. Next is main parameters. Main parameters in binomial distribution is n and p, because as per the formula we need only n and p. R is what we have to find out, and we can find q by deducting value of p from 1. So main parameter are n and p in binomial distribution. Constants of binomial distributions are mean, that is n into p. We can calculate mean in binomial distribution by multiplying